Hi, it's Jennifer.
And Tamia.
And we're from the Boys and Girls Club of Phillips County. In today's science experiment, we'll be doing elephant toothpaste. You will need these following ingredients. You'll need a funnel, an empty bottle, 20 volume hydrogen peroxide. You can get this at Sally's, food coloring, dishwashing liquid, warm water, and dry yeast. Okay, first, you're going to carefully pour 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide liquid into the funnel, into the bottle. Next, you're going to do about 10 drops of your favorite food coloring of your choice. She chose green. Next, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap into the bottle and swish it around. In a separate small cup or bowl, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. Next, you may mix it. Mix about for 30 seconds. Okay, now you're going to put your funnel back into the bottle and you're going to pour in your yeast mixture and see what happens. Elephant toothpaste. How does it work? The foam you made is extra special because each tiny foam bubble is filled with oxygen. The yeast acted as a catalyst. A catalyst is used to speed up a reaction. It quickly broke apart from the oxygen from the peroxide. Because it did this very fast, it created lots and lots of bubbles. Did you notice the bottle got warm? Make sure you fill the bottle and you'll see that it has got warm. Your experiment created is a reaction called exothermic reaction. That means it is not only created foam, it's created heat. The foam produced is just water, soap, and oxygen. So you can clean it up with a sponge and pour any extra liquid left in the bottle down the drain. Thanks for checking out our science experiment today. Whoa.